See that car sitting back there and all that junk. I have no idea where they went. I don't even know what their address was.
Is that the school that's across the street that she showed us pictures of?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's there somewhere then.
Yeah, so, oh, there's boy.
There he is.